Hi, first hour. Here we go again. It's Thursday, and just so you know, I've been doing all these videos on the same day. I'm not wearing the same clothes every day, okay? Just so you know. All right. I was at first going to do page 85 of the 8s packet, but I figured this is Thursday, and you guys will be on page 89. So I decided to skip to there instead. This is similar to what somebody else was doing, where I can't remember now. Anyway, there's no numbers on the dots, but again, by the time you're doing the 8s, you probably don't need the numbers. But if you do, you've got them. So, all right, so we're multiplying 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24. 4 goes in the 1's place, the 2 is carried above the 10's place. 8 times 5, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Plus 2 gives you 42. The 2 in the 10's place and the 4 in the 100's place. Next problem, 8 times 6. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. 8 in the 1's place, and the 4 is carried above the 10's place. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. That 2 stays in the 10's place, and the 1 in the 100's place. And one more problem. 8 times 4, we have 8, 16, 24, 32. The 2 in the 1's place, the 3 carried above the 10's place. 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24, plus 3, 25, 26, 27. Okay, make sure that 7 is in the 10's place and the 2 is in the 100's place. All right, now we're going to go back on to our last page on perimeter. On area. And this is really similar to the other page, only the shapes don't look as strange. But this one, instead of counting every single box, what you could do is, let me see if I can, okay, let me erase this board. All right, what you could do is, okay, if we're looking at this first one, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares across. Okay. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows down. So, in order to do this, I could go 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals. Okay, this is another way of doing it. So 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 24, 30. So that is another way of, well, I didn't leave myself room. That's another way of counting it out instead of counting every single square. Okay? All right, this is pretty simple. Now the ones that are strange shapes, you would have to split them up and to make them into regular rectangles. Like this first one has, okay, this is number 10 rather, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and has 2 rows of 5. Well, we know our 2's. 2 times 5 is 10. So I'm going to write down 10. And then we have this middle section. See, I sectioned these off so I'd have rectangles to count. Can you see this? Anyway, this middle section is, okay, there's 2's, so 2, 4, 6. So we had 10 plus 6. And if this is 10, this is 10, because they're the same size, right? All right. So 10 plus 6 is 16, plus 10 is 26. And that was for number 10. This is going to be a super easy page. So anyway, that's it for this week. Don't forget, if you have questions, I'm here to answer them for you. Please tell the teacher that checks on you, okay? All right. Have a good weekend. Talk to you next week. Bye.